Okay, this is the last problem on this branch account. Here there are two branches, one is Nawalgund, another is Nallikeri. And goods are invoiced at cost plus 50%. Cost is 100, loading is 50, total is 150. Okay, total is 150. On the basis of that, you have to solve this problem. Opening stock comes on the debit side. Opening stock comes on the debit side of the branch stock account. Opening debtors account debit side. Goods sent to branch is here and this is cost price. This is very important. Cost price. So 34,000 is the cost, 50% is the loading. 34,000 into 50% means 17,000. You add 15,000 and its answer is 51,000. 51,000 is the invoice price of first column. And second column 36,000. 50% of 36,000 is 18,000. If you add 18,000, its answer is 54,000. 54,000 is the invoice price. Remember this. Okay. So 51,000 and 54,000 you record in the branch stock account debit side. Not 34,000, 36,000. Cash sale, branch stock account credit side. Credit sale, branch stock account credit side. Collection from debtors account credit side. Goods returned by debtors. Goods returned by debtors, stock account, branch stock account debit side, debtors account credit side. Okay. Goods returned by to head office. Goods returned to head office, stock account, branch stock account credit side. And this is the new adjustment. Goods transferred from Nallikeri to Nawalgund. Goods transferred from Nallikeri to Nawalgund means it is a inter-department transfer. It is a inter-department transfer. So you consider that the which department transfer the goods, that consider as return to head office. Return to head office. And which department receive the goods, consider that goods received from head office. This is the point you remember regarding the transfer. Sare name one department is ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ತಗೊಂಡವರು ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕೊಟ್ಟವರು ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸಿಗೆ 3 ಕಳಿಸಿವಿ ಅಂತ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ Nallikeri to Nawalgund. Transfer from Nallikeri transferred the goods to Nawalgund. So Nallikeri is the giver of the goods and Nawalgund is the receiver of the goods. Therefore, Nallikeri consider that it is a return to head office. Nallikeri branch consider that as return to head office. Nawalgund branch received the goods, therefore it consider that goods received from head office. Remember this. Tita. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, Nallikeri branch ಅವರು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. ನವಲ್ಗುಂದದವರು ತಗೊಂಡಿದಾರ, ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದಾವ ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್. ಟೀತಾ, ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಬಂದಿದಾವ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸರಿ, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ತಗೊಂಡವರು ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಕೊಟ್ಟವರು ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ 3 ಕಳಿಸಿವಿ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂದ್ರ ನವಲ್ಗುಂದ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್. Nallikeri branch buy goods sent to branch, return to head office. This is return to head office. This is return to head office and this is goods received from head office. In this way you consider this. And surplus comes on the debit side of branch stock. Surplus comes on the debit side of branch stock. Deficit comes on the credit side of branch stock account. Discount allowed, debtors account credit side, expense account debit side. Branch expense account debit side. This is the point you remember. Okay. So you open the branch account separately or you open the branch account double column. Double column haki entry ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋದ್ರು ಬರ್ತದ. Debit side 2 column, credit side 2 column. You draw the 2 columns. Opening stock first you write. Second in the debtors account, 2 balance brought down. Then goods sent to branch. Goods sent to branch. Stock account debit side. Cash sale by cash sale. Then credit sale by debtors account. Next collection from debtors by bank. By return to head office to branch stock account to debtors in the stock account. Like that, you draw debit side 2 column, credit side 2 amount column. First amount column Nawalgund, second amount column Nellikeri. Okay, and items you write according to the items. And surplus credit side, sorry, debit side second column, deficit first column, credit side. Credit side. In this way you write, otherwise you draw the account separately. Okay. I will draw the account separately and you see that. The first problem is already completed. 9,300, this problem is already completed. Invoice price is equal to cost plus loading. Loading is 50, cost is 100 is equal to 150. Okay. So loading is equal to 50 by 150 of invoice price. Loading is equal to 50 by 100 of cost. This equation you take and calculate loading on cost. Okay. So first I will take the first branch. That is ledger accounts in the books of Nelly. First one is Nawalgund. Ledger accounts in the books of Nawalgund branch. You write the heading and then you draw the branch stock account. 2 balance brought down, 2 goods sent to branch, 2 branch debtors account. Then cash sale is there, debtors is there, goods sent to branch is there, branch adjustment account 450, deficit is there. Close the account, assert in the balance. Balance is 5,640. This is already solved one. And here you have to write, this is the goods sent to branch. This is called a transfer. Transfer from Nellikeri to Nawalgund. Nawalgund branch is the receivers. Therefore, you record on the debit side 1,200. This is transfer. This is the transfer amount. Transferred from Nellikeri. Nawalgund branch received debit side. Okay, and you have to take loading on this also. You have to calculate loading on this also. Remember this. Okay. Then credit side, cash sale is there, debtors is there, cash credit sale, goods sent to branch means return to head office. Return to head office. Branch adjustment 450 deficit. Close the account, balance is 5,640. In the debtors account, 2 balance brought down, credit sale 31,000, credit side by bank 30,400, branch expense discount is there 200. Closing branch stock account, sales return 1200. Okay, close the account and ascertain the balance. 6000 is the balance. Remember this. And in the expense account, branch debtors to 350. Only discount is there, sorry. Debtors account 200, cash account 5400, expense directly given. Direct expense kodara direct baradu. Total 5600 goes to adjustment account. In the adjustment account, stock reserve 3100, goods sent to branch 17,000. Again goods sent to branch 700. This is the loading on transfer. Remember this. This is the loading on transfer. 2100 into 1 by 3. Into 1 by 3. Remember this. Okay. Then debit side to stock reserve, loading on closing stock. Goods returned to head office, 1500 is there. You make 1/3, 500. Then branch stock account deficit, 450. 100, 150 loading. 3 items you write. Close the account, take the difference. Difference is 18,270 gross profit. You take gross profit. Then debit side expense account 5600, branch stock account deficit cost 300. 300 plus 150. This must be equal to deficit 450. So close the account. Net profit is 12,370. Net profit is 12,370. This is the Nawalgund branch. Come to the Nellikeri branch. Ledger accounts in the books of Nellikeri branch. You write the heading Nellikeri branch. Branch stock account. To balance brought down. To goods sent to branch. To sales return. Okay. Credit side. Sorry. Branch adjustment account surplus. Surplus 300 is there. These are the 4 items. Opening stock, goods sent to branch, sales return, surplus. Clear? Credit side, buy cash sale, buy debtors account, credit sale, then buy branch, goods sent to branch. Goods sent to branch, this is the transfer. This is the transfer. It is considered as return to head office. Return to head office. Take the total, ascertain the balance. Balance is 4,200. Okay. In the debtors account, to balance brought down 8,700. To branch stock account, credit sale 30,100. Buy cash 29,800. By branch expense, discount 350. Then branch stock account, sales return 1500. Take the total, assert in the closing balance. Closing balance is 7,150. 7,150. Okay. In the branch expense account, to debtors account 350, that is discount. To cash expense 6,700. Total 7,050. Totally 7,050. 7,050 goes to adjustment account, branch adjustment account. In the branch adjustment account, stock reserve opening stock 5,200. Goods sent to branch loading is 18,000. Branch stock account adjustment 100. This is the loading on surplus. Loading on surplus is 100, 1/3. Okay, debit side stock reserve 1400. 1400 is on closing stock. Goods sent to branch 700. This is the loading on transfer. This is loading on transfer. You take the total, gross profit is 21,200. 21,200. Okay. Then you write the branch expense 7,050. The next is branch stock account 200. This is surplus. Total surplus is 300. You see this. I solved two problems based on surplus. 100 is loading, 200 is cost, total surplus is 300. This is the point you remember. Okay. Close the account 21,400. Net profit 14,350. 14,350 is the net profit. Okay. In this way, you solve the problem. So I complete here the branch account. The second unit I completed. I solved maximum problems on this chapter. Maximum problems on this chapter, and your attendance is very poor. I'm not satisfied with the attendance. And how many of you are going through the YouTube video? I don't know. Only limited number of members are watching the YouTube videos. So please go through the YouTube video and be perfect regarding the first unit and second unit. I completed the first and second unit here.